Hey guys, PC Custom Cool here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Thermaltake Challenger Gaming Board Pro. And there's two types. There's the non-Pro and the Pro. The Pro basically has the backlit red lights on it, or the backlit in red. I wanted red. I needed a keyboard. My theme of the gaming rig is red, therefore I wanted to get the keyboard. The other one cacked, so here we are. And I thought we would do this together. It's pretty cool. Here's the box. Here's the back. Gives you the whole rundown, different languages, basically the unique illuminated gaming keyboard and whatnot. Now I'm going to show you as well. It has a couple of USB ports that you can use as well, and interestingly enough, it also has a fan, which the box, somewhere I read it on this box, says for your sweaty hands, to keep your sweaty hands dry, which I found very, very interesting. Anyhow, what we can do is open the front, and in here, excuse me, you'll see graphical users interface setup. Provides 4 game profiles. You can preset your profiles for 4 different types of games. Reset, delete all the macro key or single key within particular game profile. So it's got all your different features here. On-off light option, which is pretty cool. Also, it has a timer indicating the total gaming duration, the total game time for games. If you need to keep track of that, there's bigger issues there than just how long you're spending on the keyboard or on your game, and the macro key setup as well. Alright, down here you'll see red light illumination backlight, 2x USB 2.0 ports, the macro keys that we spoke about, the instant access for multimedia function or quick audio control, alright, the storage of up to 40 macro keys. And they also give you some extra keys as well, the directional keys and the all-famous WASD keys, which are mostly used for most gaming. Protects the cable from damage by improper force, so you've got the extra reinforced cable. Windows dummy keycaps as well, you can add those for guys like myself that have to find it instantly, of course. The flexible backlight switch allows you to turn the backlight on and off, and the onboard profile switch to engage for instant game changes. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this open. Yes. Alright, here we go. Okay, here we go. Alright, there we go with that. We've got that already. Now let's get this one here. This is a lot of sealing going on here. Look at this. Unreal. Seriously, man. Come on. Like, what's in here? What are they concealing? Oh, look at this. That looks awesome. Alright, let's take it out of here. Look at that. Challenger Gaming Board Pro. Yeah, let me put this to the side a second. Let's look inside the box. This is nothing. What do we have in here? Here are the extra keys, the directional keys and the WASD. Alright, in this pouch over here, what do we have in here? Here's the cable. Oh, look at that, it's braided. Not only does it look fantastic, it's heavy duty. You can get a good look at that. Let it focus. That looks great. Let's see what else is in here. And here's the little mini fan. Let's see if it'll focus on that. Okay, so there's that. Now, if anyone is wondering why the camera is shaking so much, it's because my little guy wanted to help me out, so I didn't use a tripod. He wanted to hold the camera, so I said, sure, go for it. He'll think about it twice the next time. Here we go, and a challenge is the game. Right? Let's open this up and see what it's about. Inside here we have the driver disc. Okay, gives you the system requirements, quite simple. Over here, warranty, and in case you didn't know how to use a motherboard, the user's manual, which is quite extensive. I have to say, they've used a great amount of detail. This is, I'll tell you, it's the board's 65 bucks, and so far it's wow, I'm very impressed so far. And let's just take this out of here and check it out. How you doing there, buddy? You're okay? All right, my man.
I'm trying to hold it.
You realize everyone could hear that, right? Okay, so look at this. No, you don't have to bring it in that close, don't worry. Here, look at this. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to, when I put it on the desk with the computer, I'm also going to finish the video off with it backlit. Excuse me. Now let's look at the bottom. Nice design. Oh, it's got the really big clips, so that'll be very sturdy when you open them up. So it sits up on an angle. Nice red stripe here, and the TT is also lit. This will be lit as well, so it'll look absolutely stunning. Here are the two USB ports I was talking about. There's your power cord, and the fan stows away in here. Hang on. Where is it? Here it is. And I believe the fan stows. Can you guys see this? It stows away in there just like that. Just like that, and when you put it on, it goes right here, top of this tab. Plug it in there, and it looks just like that. And or you can do it on this side as well, where you take the rubber stoppers out of. Okay, so let's see. Let's put these back, and that's it. Looks great, and I'll finish up with once I plug it in and it lights up. Thank you. Hey guys, okay, so here's the keyboard, Thermaltake Challenger Pro. Looks fantastic in red. Matches everything else that's in red. And that's a whole other video you're looking at right over there. Here's one of the screens that I'm running, and another one. Now they're not the same size, obviously, but you know, one day we'll take care of that too. Anyhow, the board looks fantastic. It matches everything else. I'm very happy about that. Tried the little fan. It actually punches a little wind out for your sweaty hands, whatever you may be doing. I don't want to get into that. So there we have it. There's the rig. There's the board. There's the monitors. We're ready to rock. Oh, and they're going to sleep. All right. Like, subscribe, take care, and we'll talk soon. Ciao.